Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. All right, I'm going to go through these slides with all of you here. Okay, this time is on how to write an essay, right? The slides will guide you on the essay format, the introduction, body, conclusion, and what are thesis statements and topic sentences. Okay, the essay format, it is also like your speech format, right? It has the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. And somewhere in the introduction, you have to have a thesis statement. Now let's start with introduction. Okay, an introduction is the first part of an essay. It will try to capture your reader's attention. The introduction format, 1, it is an attention getter. It is where you state your problem. It bridges or the transition sentences, and it has a thesis statement always at the end. Now, let's go to ways to start your introduction. Some strategies, okay. The introduction should provide some interesting background about the topic in the form of a general statement. You can use a thought-provoking quotation. You can also ask a question about your topic. You can state a surprising fact or a puzzling statement. You can also start your introduction by or with a short story. More strategies, okay? You can start your introduction by stating a common misconception. You can describe a problem as your introduction. You can give an analogy. You can also show how your topic is related to the reader's experience. Introduction. An introduction makes a bridge to connect the attention-getting sentence or sentences to your thesis statement. Okay. It is a common way to make a bridge. The common way to make a bridge is to explain why the topic is important. This bridge is often a few sentences long. Conclude your introductory paragraph with the most important idea of the essay, which is your thesis statement. Now we go to the parts of a thesis statement, right? Topic, opinion, 3 reasons. What are the functions of a thesis statement? A thesis statement announces the topic to the reader. It also reflects a judgment about the topic. It provides the readers with a blueprint of what is to come in the paper. Use a fill-in-the-blank sentence. Okay. Although many people think in reality something else, because, another example, A is more significant. Maybe you want to say than B because reasons, all right? The reasons, these reasons after the blank, okay, the blank after the word because, this will build your body, right? A illuminates the role of B in people's lives by showing us how. C, D, and E. These are the reasons, the one you will elaborate later on in your body of your essay, in the body of your essay. All right, more examples, okay? Although many reasons have been suggested for A, they all boil down to B, C, and D, right? A is true for these reasons, B, C, D, and E. X has argued that A, but Y position is stronger because B, C, and D. All right? The more important effects of A went beyond those of B. Okay. Research indicates that our society has become more violent. Crime is on the rise in both urban and rural areas. Many adults are convinced that popular movies and video games encourage young people to become violent. Do you agree or disagree with the opinion that modern movies or video games have contributed to the rise of violent crime in the United States? You can either use, okay, or you can either use option A or option B, okay? Violent crime is not caused by movies and video games because it is parents' fault. All right, let's look at option B. Young people are influenced more by their parents, environments, and friends than they are influenced by violent video games and movies. Okay, incorrect, wrong, yeah? Option A, violent crime is not caused by movies and video games because it is the parents' fault. Okay, this thesis does not present an opinion, but it doesn't address the entire prompt. It doesn't specify teen violence. How could all violent crime be the parents' fault? Okay, let's look at the correct version. Okay, young people are influenced more by their parents, environments, and friends than they are influenced by violent video games and movies. This is correct because it addresses all aspects of the prompt and presents a clear opinion. This thesis lets the reader know exactly how the rest of the paper will be laid out. Remember? Yeah? The thesis statement leads you what is in your body of your essay, right? From this sentence, I expect you to write on parents first, then environment, and lastly, friends before you write your conclusion. Okay, that's the introduction, right? Now let's look at the body. The body is a set of paragraphs that develop the idea expressed in the thesis statement. Make a list of main ideas that support the thesis statement. Each main idea becomes the main idea sentence for a body paragraph. Arrange the main ideas in logical order. You can arrange it according to time or place or importance. Plan out each body paragraph by listing major details that support each main idea. Order the details within each paragraph in a logical way. Each body paragraph may end with a concluding sentence. Right? This is a sort of flow chart or diagram for your essay. Okay, essay outline. You have in the introduction the thesis statement. Okay, the thesis statement reveals the main points. Okay, you have main points 1, okay, 2, and 3. All right. So if in the thesis statement you say parent, friends, and environment, so topic sentence for body paragraph 1 will focus on parents. Topic sentence for paragraph 2 will focus on friends, and topic sentence for paragraph 3 will focus on environment. Okay, then you elaborate, right? You try to sort of explain or you try to explain the topic sentence, right, by having points. Why do you say that it is the cause of parents for students' violence, right? It is the same for body paragraph 2. Okay. Why do you say that? You justify. Why do you say that the cause of students' violence is because of their friends? Yeah, for body paragraph 2. And for body paragraph 3, you find points of why do you say that it is also the environment fault that students are violent, right? Now, after sort of drafting or arranging your main ideas and major details, you should begin writing your body paragraphs. Okay, the number of paragraphs depends on the topic complexity, inclusiveness, and your purpose for writing. Usually, a short essay contains 3 to 5 body paragraphs, plus an introduction and a conclusion. Remember to use signal words to make smooth transition between sentences and paragraphs. All right, now let's see topic sentence in the paragraph and the supporting details. Okay. What is a topic sentence? Okay. A topic sentence is a sentence within a paragraph that has the general main idea of the whole paragraph. Topic sentences can appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a paragraph. Where is the topic sentence located? Okay, a topic sentence can be the first sentence in a paragraph. For example, the tea plant is attacked by several injurious insects. The most important of them is the faggot worm. The tea borer, which is the larva of a corset moth, attacks the stems and branches of the tea plant. Several species of scale insects attack the tea plant. Several mites also feed on it, including a red spider and the yellow tea mite, which destroys the bud. Right? So you see, the topic sentence says that the tea plant is attacked by several injurious insects. So, supporting details, you have to write sentences which support the sentence in blue. So it says here, attacked by several insects. So your paragraph has to mention several insects. Like this, faggot worm, corset moth, mites, okay? red spider, yellow termite, right? Showing that these insects attack the tea plant. Sometimes a topic sentence can also be in the middle of the paragraph. For example, okay, have you ever imagined what life would be if aeroplanes had not been invented? It would take days, months, and years to travel from one place to another. This invention has made it possible for people to travel long distances in just a few hours. For example, it used to take 2 or 3 months by sea to reach Mecca, but now it takes only 8 hours by air. You can travel to London, which is 10,600 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur in 12 hours. See, we're talking about aeroplanes, flight, right? So the topic sentence is placed in the middle of the paragraph. Okay? Another example. A topic sentence can also be the last paragraph, right? So some students do not attend lectures regularly. They do not do the assignments or homework given by the lecturers. They also waste their time listening to the radio and chatting with their friends. Not only that, they prefer to sleep in the hostel rooms during lectures. Nowadays, students are not serious in their studies. So this is the topic sentence. And all above it, yeah, what comes before it are examples of students being not serious in their studies. Okay? All right. Now, let's see what are supporting details, okay? Supporting details are other sentences within the paragraph. They can be reasons or examples or explanation that support the topic sentence of the paragraph. Okay, identify the topic sentence and supporting details of the paragraph. Let's read this. All right. Malaysia is a beautiful country in many ways. It has white sandy beaches and cool, refreshing hill resorts. Modern cities with beautiful architecture in an exotic combination of Eastern and Western influence also add to its charm. This physical beauty is further enhanced by the colorful and harmonious blend of its various cultures. The warmth and friendliness of the Malaysian people is another of its attraction. So, what is the topic sentence? The topic sentence is, Malaysia is a beautiful country in many ways. The supporting details are, okay, the other sentences in the paragraph. It has white sandy beaches, it has modern cities, all right? Colorful and harmonious blend of various cultures, multi-cultures, and of course, not forgetting the warmth and friendliness of Malaysian people. Okay? Now let's look at more examples. Example of main idea, topic sentence, and supporting details. Okay? How to promote batik? Main idea, provide information. Topic sentence. Firstly, the best way to promote batik is by providing information to everyone. Supporting this, how do we provide information? By using the internet, by having website, by giving out brochures, okay? The second paragraph. First main idea is provide information, okay? Second paragraph's main idea is having a batik exhibition, okay? Secondly, a good way to promote batik is to organize batik exhibitions locally and abroad. Supporting details, what happened at a batik exhibition? Okay, show how batik is made. There'll be a batik fashion show, and also handicrafts made from batik. The third main idea is government effort, industries, and agencies. Last but not least, the government and other agencies or industries can play their part in promoting batik. How do they do this? Okay, they can have batik day. They can wear uniform made from batik. They can have gifts, yeah, in the form of batik, yeah. Maybe the batik sarung. You can give them to people, right? So that more people, everybody knows about batik. Okay, I think we need to revise on transition words, right? When you write, yeah, you have to use transition words. For examples, right? Words like or phrases like, for example, for instance, to illustrate, for organization of chronological order, the 6 steps are next, finally, first, secondly, third, okay, that is for to show sequence, yeah, we use these words. And for additional points, you can use furthermore, in addition, also, moreover. For opposing ideas, right? When you want to say the opposite, okay. On the other hand, in contrast, although, however, for similar ideas, you can use words like likewise, similarly, in comparison. For exception, you can use however, nevertheless, but, yet, still. For emphasis, okay, you can use above all, finally, more importantly. For understanding, you can use the word in other words, in accents, briefly. For summarizing, you can use in conclusion, to sum up. For these reasons, in a nutshell. For exams, you can use remember this. This is important. This could be on the test. Right. Now we have come to the conclusion of your essay. Okay. What should you have in the conclusion of your essay? Okay. A conclusion should leave the readers thinking about your topic. Okay. A conclusion should leave an impression on the readers, right? There is no new information in the conclusion. Be sure to recap your ideas in the conclusion. Should follow logically from the body of the essay. You should also restate your thesis statement in different words. You rephrase your thesis statement. You might want to have your readers do something after reading. This is called a call to action. Example, go write your senator about this problem. Okay, I think that's all for the slides. You can go through the slides again before you do the exercises which follows, right? Thank you very much.